Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted 2.5% in the last session. The MACD's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The euro dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The pound dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Aussie dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Internet stocks Meta Platforms and Alphabet were headed for their highest closes in more than a year. Both stocks have rallied so far in October, with Meta shares up 8.5% on a month-to-date basis, and Alphabet shares up 7.1%. European markets appear to be pausing for breath after the downs and ups at the start of the week, with the DAX and the FTSE 100 trying to push higher, while the CAC 40 has struggled due to weakness in the luxury sector after a profits warning from LVMH. The XRP price decline continued owing to broader market cues. While Ripple has come out on top in its fight against the SEC for now, the crypto market remains uncertain owing to the lack of clear regulations.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks will be released at 2350 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 2350 GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's industrial production will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The Portuguese Consumer Price Index at 1000 hours GMT. Australia's consumer inflation expectations at 0000 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.